In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Find and Replace with wildcards in Microsoft Word. If you've ever needed to fix recurring typos, standardize spelling, or update terms across a long document, Find and Replace can save you a lot of time. Wildcards take that a step further by letting you search for patterns, not just exact words. Here's how to do it clearly and safely. First, open the Find and Replace window. Press Ctrl+H on your keyboard, and Word will bring up the dialog where you can type what you want to search for and what you want to replace it with. If you don't see extra options yet, look for the More button at the bottom of the window and click it. That expands the panel so you can fine-tune your search. Next, turn on Pattern Matching. Check the box labeled Use Wildcards. With this on, Word will interpret certain characters as flexible placeholders. For example, a question mark stands for any single character, and an asterisk stands for any number of characters. A simple pattern, like TE?T, will match both test and text, because that question mark can be any one letter between the T's. Now, in the Find What box, type the wildcard pattern you want to look for. Think about the variations you expect. If you want every four-letter word that starts with TE and ends with T, use TET. If you need something broader, like anything that starts with intro and continues with any characters, you might use intro. The more precise your pattern, the better your results. In the Replace with box, type the text you want to use in place of what's found. This can be a single, consistent term, such as changing every match of key to test, or it can include a pattern if you're standardizing several variants. Keep it simple at first, so you can double-check the outcome. When you're ready, apply the change. Click Replace to move through your document one match at a time, confirming each change as you go, or click Replace All to update every match in one go. Replace is safer for the first pass because you can verify that your wildcard behaves as expected. If something doesn't look right, stop and adjust your pattern, then try again. Remember, wildcards treat spaces and punctuation as characters too, so patterns should account for them if needed. Being specific prevents accidental matches elsewhere in your document. After Replace All, Word shows how many replacements were made, which is a quick sanity check. That's it, your document cleaned up with just a few smart patterns.